Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my 3 favorite anti-aging slash collagen lip products. And so, by the way, I am trying to pre-film because I'm going to be going on vacation for about a week, and then also we're going to be having company. So I wanted to try and pre-film a few videos so you're not left high and dry. But anyways, today's video is about my favorite anti-aging collagen filling lip products. So if you want to see what those are, just keep watching. Okay, so I wasn't going to try these on because I am so protective of my lip products, especially when I feel like they cost me some money and they just, I don't know, it just seems like I'm just protective, okay? I love lip products that are actually giving me some sort of benefit. Okay, so let's just get into it. My first one, you guys already know if you've been with me for any amount of time, the Grande lips. I finally got my regular size. I was using a trial size because I was completely out. And this is collagen boosting, and it says on the Grande Lips website that if you use it twice a day for 30 days, it's supposed to like make your lips look fuller. I've never done that challenge. I thought about doing it, but if you've also seen in my recent video, I recently started derma rolling my lips, and let's see, I've done it either 4 or 5 times. So in 30 days, I'm going to be doing a follow-up video on that. But what I was doing after derma rolling is they suggest that you put a collagen building like lip product. So I use a serum and then I use a collagen building lip product, which is this. So it's the Grande Lips, which I love. It I usually put it on in the morning and it just kind of moisturizes my lips. It's not a sticky gloss. Let me put it on for you. So it's not a sticky gloss. It's got a little twist up, which is nice because this wastes no product at all, and because it just keeps going up until it's completely done. So let me move in a little bit and show you the lip product. So sorry, I still have some remnants of my lipstick that I had on, but this is what it looks like. So it's not a thick gloss at all, and it feels very light, and there's no tingling. To me, there's no tingle, and I'm very sensitive to the tingle. It feels just a smidge cooling, but I really like it because my lips always feel moisturized, and they just feel smoothed out, really. So for those of you looking for something in that arena, and you can also, I used to put this on right before while I was doing my makeup, so it would sit on like for 20-30 minutes, and then I'd blot it off, and then I'd go ahead and put on my lip product, and I felt like my lip products always looked better. So Grande Lips, you can get it at Sephora. You can also get it on the Grande Lips website, and they also, I've purchased it on, I believe, HSN before. So they sell it quite a few places, and this is just one of my favorite go-to anti-aging collagen building lip products. Okay, so I've already taken my Grande Lips off. The next one is by Dior, and I am almost out, and I can't tell you how sad I am. Now this is the Lip Maximizer Collagen Active, and I really like this gloss. I'm going to scrape the bottom. So when these came out, they sell them in a ton of colors now, but before there was only either 2 or 3 colors, like a clear nude, a clear pink, and maybe something else I can't remember. but once I get this on, I'm like scraping the sides. I'm definitely going to reorder this because I'm waiting for this for a sale though. So that is what that looks like. This is great to wear out when just every day, when you're just going to the grocery store or whatever and you don't feel like putting on a lipstick, but you want your lips to be moisturized, you want to smooth your lips out, or you want your lips to have the appearance of them smoothed out and them to look plumper. I always feel like with these two products, I always feel like my lips look smoother, and I feel like my top lip looks, it just stands out more. I feel like, and my top lip is smaller than my bottom lip, so I just feel like it looks bigger, or my lips look more proportioned. And this is a little cooling, but it's not anything like the Buxom lip glosses, you know, those are super cooling, but you do feel a little bit more like action, like I can feel something happening with this one versus my Grande lips. But I really enjoy this. I love kind of just the nudeness of it, and it's a little bit more glossy than the Grande lip, so it wears more like a gloss. It's not sticky, it's super easy to wear. I love this. So the Dior Maximizer. Last but not least is this here, and this is the Algenist, and it is let me get the name right. This is the liquid collagen lip. So it's the Genius Liquid Collagen Lip, and it's got these like little yellow spheres inside, so it's clear, and it's got this. So now this is a new addition to my lip family, and I got it when I first started. I ordered it when I first started doing the derma rolling, and I had seen this on Sephora, and I put it in my cart, and I was gonna wait for the sale, but I couldn't wait, so I ordered it and got it in like 2 or 3 days. And so this also is a twist up, and you twist it here, and then the product goes up like there. And so this is different than the other two. So this, let's see, let me put it on and so you can see it. I think this is, so this I wear every night, and then of course I use it on the nights that I do the derma rolling. So this is my go-to right now, especially because I'm derma rolling. Now this, let me read to you what this says, and then as we talk about this, it'll sink into my lips. So it says apply directly onto clean, dry lips and lip contour. So right outside the lips, which I do at nighttime because I derma roll the outside. And so I want that to sink in all around my lips. So it says AM and PM, or use as often as desired. So yeah, this is lip fillers, collagen. I still have the box that it came in. So this is the box that it came in. And so it's vegan collagen, and it's liquid collagen lip. So it's actually liquid collagen. So it's not a lip gloss or, you know, like something to wear during the day. It's actually like skincare for your lips. So it's got hyaluronic acid and collagen. So I've been using this probably for about a week now. And so what it does, it actually sinks into the skin, and it has a cooling sensation. So it's the cooling, gosh, it's hard to explain what this feels like, but it doesn't make you cold like the Buxom Lips, the lip gloss. I feel like the Buxom lip gloss is like, it's so cooling, like it almost makes you cold. This doesn't. And it's not slippery. It just makes your lips feel super moisturized. Like if your lips have water on them, but the water doesn't come off. I don't know. That's the best that I can explain it. So I sleep in this and I wake up and my lips are still moisturized and I still have some of this on. It's amazing so far. You know, I don't think I've had it long enough to say, you know, you need this in your life, go out and buy it. But I am using it in conjunction with derma rolling, and because I think it's a good lip skincare product to use, especially when I'm derma rolling and my lips are repairing themselves at night. But what I can say is I feel it working, and I like the way it makes my lips feel and the way my lips look. So yes, and so as far as I know, I've only seen this at Sephora. I'm not sure. They may have it at Ulta. If Elgenis has a website, I'm sure they may sell it there. But those are my 3 favorite anti-aging collagen building lip products, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.